What is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language, a standardized system for tagging text files to achieve font, color, graphic, and hyperlink effects on World Wide Web pages. I go to example.com, right click and click on View Page Source. First, introduce a doc type, that is HTML, and then start with HTML tag. Less than and greater than is tag, and close HTML tag with slash. What is head tag? The head element is a container for all the head elements. The head element can include a title for the document, scripts, styles, meta information, and more. What is title tag? The title of your page and show on title of your web browser. That is example domain, and show this title on my browser example domain. Meta char set or character set, that is UTF-8. That is a standard. If you want to more about, you can search on Google, depends on yourself. The second meta tag is content type. And what is content type? That is text HTML. The third meta tag is viewport, and how to show your page on devices. The content is with device with. The style tag is about CSS or cascading style sheets, that you will more about it in next sections. CSS styling style to your web page. For example, change the color, text, font, and etc. What is the body tag? The body element contains all the content of HTML document, such as hyperlinks, images, tables, lists, and etc. What is div tag? The div tag defines a division or section in an HTML document. We can have different divisions or sections that we should use div tag. Start with div tag and close with div tag. What is h1 tag? That is header tag. This is main header page. What is p tag? P tag is paragraph, and you can write some text in your page. Write some text in your page. Okay, this is a structure of a web page. I will see you in next lecture.